In this video, we're going to learn how to use adjectives and nouns with no to say things like the big one, the Japanese one, and so on. Let's say Shiro asks what kind of movies you like, and your answer is, I like funny movies. 面白い映画が好きです。In natural conversation, when it's clear that you're talking about movies, you might just say, I like the funny ones. In English, we change movies to ones, and in Japanese, we do the same. We change 映画 to の. So, I like the funny ones is 面白いのが好きです。面白いのが好きです。Now let's say Shiro asks what kind of music you like, and your answer is, I like quiet music. 静かな音楽が好きです。To say, I like the quiet ones, we again replace the noun 音楽 with の. Notice that the adjective 静か is a na adjective. So I like the quiet ones is 静かなのが好きです。静かなのが好きです。What if your answer is, I like Japanese music. 日本の音楽が好きです。Here we have the noun の noun pattern. To say, I like the Japanese ones, we simply drop the second noun 音楽 and say, 日本のが好きです。日本のが好きです。Let's see one more common use of の. Shiro is eating a cake and says, this cake is tasty. And you want to say, that is my cake, which is, それは私のケーキです。But it's very common to say, それは私のです。私の is used as mine. One important caveat to this expression with no is that it's used to refer to objects or abstract things. So it sounds impolite to refer to people using this expression. For example, if Shiro asks what kind of person you like, and your answer is, I like a funny person, then it's more appropriate to say, 面白い人が好きです rather than 面白いのが好きです。Let's practice with more examples. My computer broke. I will buy a new one. パソコンが壊れました。新しいのを買います。パソコンが壊れました。新しいのを買います。We have cakes. Please eat the one you like. ケーキがありますよ。好きなのを食べてください。ケーキがありますよ。好きなのを食べてください。I like cakes that aren't too sweet. Or, as for cakes, I like not so sweet ones. ケーキはあまり甘くないのが好きです。ケーキはあまり甘くないのが好きです。Plane tickets are expensive. The bullet train ones are inexpensive. 飛行機のチケットは高いです。新幹線のは安いです。飛行機のチケットは高いです。新幹線のは安いです。Let's say we're talking about anime and we say, I know the famous ones. Or, as for the famous ones, I know. 有名なのは知ってます。有名なのは知ってます。Shiro tried on a t-shirt and she wants to say, do you have a slightly bigger one? もう少し大きいのありますか？もう少し大きいのありますか？ Now let's try some quizzes. Can you say, as for coffee, I like sweet ones. コーヒーは甘いのが好きです。コーヒーは甘いのが好きです。Can you say, I like rock music. I also like quiet ones. ロックが好きです。静かなのも好きです。ロックが好きです。静かなのも好きです。Can you say, how much is this pink one? このピンクのはいくらですか？このピンクのはいくらですか？ Can you say, I bought the cheapest one available in the store. お店で一番安いのを買いました。お店で一番安いのを買いました。Let's say we're talking about the color of cat tails. Can you say, mine is gray? 私のはグレーです。私のはグレーです。Today we learned how to use adjectives and nouns with の。Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。